Hi friends, I am Radhya. Today I am going to talk about universe and galaxy. What is universe? The universe is all of space and time and their contents, including planets, stars, galaxies and all other forms of energy. Do you know that there are lots of galaxies in our universe? Our planet Earth is a part of galaxy called Milky Way, and this galaxy is born about 14 billion years ago. Scientists arrived at that number by measuring the age of oldest stars in the universe. One study in 2016 estimated that the observable universe contained more than 2 trillion galaxies. Some of those looks like our Milky Way, while others are quite different. Our sun and all other planets around it are a part of galaxy known as Milky Way. A galaxy is a large group of stars, gas and dust bound together by gravity. It is difficult to count the numbers of stars in the Milky Way. There is an estimate of more than 100 billion stars in the Milky Way. Our sun is one of the star among 100 billion stars in the Milky Way. But yes, our scientists have already found 9 planets in our galaxy, which rotates around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. There is a very easy trick to remember these all planets in sequence from 1st to 9th. Okay, mark the initials of each word that I am going to tell now. My, very, educated, mother, just, show, us. 9 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. See, I told you it's a very easy trick. Okay, now let's know something more about all planets. Let's start from first planet, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to Sun. Mercury is rotating at 2 degrees on its own orbit. One rotation of Mercury takes 176 days, whereas one revolution around the Sun takes 88 days. Mercury is rotating very fast, and Mercury also has no moon. Second planet is Venus. Venus is rotating at 177 degrees on its own orbit. One rotation of Venus takes 242 days, whereas one revolution around the Sun takes 224 days. It is the slowest rotating planet, and Venus also has no moon. Third planet is Earth. Earth is rotating at 23.5 degrees on its own orbit. One rotation of Earth takes 24 hours, whereas one revolution around the Sun takes 365 days. And Earth is only planet with full of life, and Earth has only one moon. Fourth planet is Mars. Mars is rotating at 25 degrees on its own orbit. One rotation of Mars takes 24 hours and 39 minutes, whereas one revolution around the Sun takes 687 days. Scientists are finding possibilities of life in this planet, and Mars is having 2 moons. Fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is rotating at 3 degrees on its own orbit. One rotation of Jupiter takes 10 hours, whereas one revolution around the Sun takes 11.86 years. Jupiter is biggest planet in our galaxy and having 79 moons. Sixth planet is Saturn. Saturn is rotating at 26 degrees on its own orbit. One rotation of Saturn takes 10 hours and 39 minutes, whereas one revolution around the Sun takes 29.5 years. Saturn has 12 rings with 53 moons, and Saturn looks very beautiful. Seventh planet is Uranus. Uranus is rotating at 97 degrees on its own orbit. One rotation of Uranus takes 17 hours and 14 minutes, whereas one revolution around the Sun takes 84 years, and Uranus is having 27 moons. Eighth planet is Neptune. Neptune is rotating at 29.6 degrees on its own orbit. One rotation of Neptune takes 16 hours, whereas one revolution around the Sun takes 165 years. And Neptune is having only 14 moons. Ninth planet is Pluto. Pluto is rotating at 120 degrees on its own orbit. One rotation of Pluto takes 6.4 days, whereas one revolution around the Sun takes 248 years. Pluto is a dwarf planet, yet Pluto is having 5 moons. There is always a lot to talk about universe and galaxy, but for now I will take a leave. I hope you all enjoyed this knowledge sharing. Thank you everyone for watching. See you again. Bye.